The match has begun. AJ Styles versus Shinsuke Nakamura. And both Styles and Nakamura are locking hands. And Nakamura twisting Styles' hand. And Styles with the same maneuver. And now Shinsuke with a snapmare. And Styles dodging Shinsuke. And Shinsuke went on top over Styles. And now he's asking Styles to come up too, and Styles went up, and Shinsuke tripping Styles. And now placing Styles on the top and a kick to the gut. Now Nakamura picked Styles up, but Styles has landed on his feet, and this is a phenomenal blitz. And Shinsuke countering the clothesline and an enziguri. And Styles now with Shinsuke on top of his shoulders. Oshi Goroshi. Here's the cover. 1. Shinsuke kicks out. The match is going great. Both knows each other's moves and countering. And Styles with Shinsuke face first on the wall. And now Shinsuke with a drop kick. And now Shinsuke on top. Diving knee missed by Shinsuke. And now Styles with a basement drop kick. And Shinsuke with a drop kick as well. Cover. 1, 2. Styles kicks out. Shinsuke's knee is hurt. Take a look again. The drop kicks by both of them. And now Shinsuke with a kick on the back of the head. And here's the knee strike in the midsection of Styles. And now Shinsuke, the good vibes to Styles. But Styles has picked up Shinsuke's leg. And down goes Shinsuke's head. Styles has rolled up and the calf crusher is locked in. Nakamura is desperately trying to get through the ropes, but the calf crusher is locked in. Now Styles increasing the pressure. Will Nakamura tap out? Nakamura is trying to stay in the match. And Shinsuke now grabbing Styles' head and slamming it down on the mat to release himself from the hold. And Nakamura with the cross arm breaker. Nakamura's submission is locked in. Styles is in trouble. And now Styles with the roll up 1. Nakamura kicks out. And double clothesline. Both men are down. What an incredible encounter we are witnessing here tonight in the Saturday night's main event. And Nakamura with a punch and Styles as well. Another punch by Nakamura and same by Styles. Nakamura with the chop and Styles too. And roundhouse kick by Nakamura. And now Nakamura is looking for. Styles is resisting. Styles is on top. Nakamura is. Oh, Styles countered. Now Styles with a super kick. Nakamura with a clothesline ducked by Styles, and Styles with a wheelbarrow face buster. And Styles picking Nakamura and the backbreaker. And Styles picking again, slamming him down on the mat. Styles is not going for the cover. He knows that it's not enough yet. He's going on top, looking for phenomenal forearm, but Nakamura stopping Styles in his tracks with elbow strikes. And Nakamura with Styles on his shoulders from the top. And here's the landslide. Styles hit hard. Nakamura is looking for Kinshasa. Kinshasa to Styles. Nakamura with the cover. 1, 2. Styles kicks out. Nakamura can't believe it. Take a look again. That landslide from the top, followed by Kinshasa. But Styles kicking out. Nakamura is getting ready for another Kinshasa, but Styles picking Nakamura up, and Styles is looking for Styles Clash. Cover. 1, 2. Nakamura kicks out. Styles is shocked. Take a look again. The Styles Clash. Perfectly executed by Styles, but Nakamura was able to kick out. Now Styles is looking for another Styles Clash. Nakamura resisting. And Shinsuke with a knee strike and a roundhouse kick on the back of the head. Nakamura picking Styles up for a powerbomb. Styles lands on his feet, picking Nakamura and a pile driver. Now, what is Styles thinking? He's waiting Nakamura to get up, and Styles with phenomenal forearm. Not done yet. Picking up for another Styles Clash. And here's the Styles Clash. Styles with the pin. 1, 2, 3. Styles has won the match. Take a look again. The pile driver. The phenomenal forearm. And to finish things off, the Styles Clash. Styles picking up the victory against Nakamura in this match. Now Styles is celebrating. Incredible performance by both men. Now Styles is checking on Nakamura. And the fist bump between both friends. They are hugging it out. Nakamura showing respect for Styles. Great sportsmanship by both competitors. Thanks everyone for joining us tonight, and until next time, goodbye.